Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting episode on my channel. My name is LydiaEsenam and today I appreciate that you tuned in to watch. I hope you are keeping safe and protecting yourself and taking note of the safety protocols against COVID-19 by washing your hands, sanitizing regularly, and also wearing your face mask. It is very important. I need you all alive. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video if it helps you, and don't forget to leave a comment in the section below. If you're already a member of this family, I appreciate you all the time because people like you make me better. This episode is proudly brought to you by Word Global Consultancy. Now, Word Global Consultancy is an organization with an integrated group of thinkers, makers, and problem solvers in areas of IT, which is development and deployment of custom software applications, in marketing, in the services of supply chain by offering innovative solutions with lean supply chain systems. In education, they are into study abroad services with a target market made up of individuals who seek to further their academic pursuits. They generally seek to eliminate the components of your business processes by helping you and your firm focus on equally pressing demands involved with company management. Their website is www.wordglobalgroup.com. Their email and contact infos will be displayed below the screen. So you can contact Word Global Consultancy for all of these services, and trust me, they deliver great support experiences, and they would help you all through your way to help your firm to be the best. In today's episode on my channel, we are going to look at the various ways of which we can respond properly to a thank you other than you're welcome. I did a quick survey with my followers on social media and I asked how they will respond to a thank you, and most of them said you're welcome. Just a little of them actually said it's my pleasure or it's fine, but today we are going to learn something. So let's go into the video. We all know that it's polite to say thank you to someone after they have done something nice or helpful. But did you know that welcome isn't the only way to respond to someone who says thank you? In one way or the other, we come into contact with various people in our line of work, with our clients or customers, with our family and friends who would say thank you because we have helped them in one way or the other. There are various ways that you can actually respond to a thank you other than you're welcome. And if you feel that some of the statements aren't in what I have delivered, you can just leave them in the comment section below, and also let me know what you think. The first way that we could respond to a thank you properly is no problem. An example is when a friend just says, "Thanks for your help today." We could respond, "No problem." Number two, "That's all right." That's all right. For instance, a friend says, "Thanks for picking my lunch for me today." You say, "That's all right." Yeah. The third way of responding to a thank you properly is, "It was the least I could do." For instance, you get to work and you help your colleague clean their space, and they come in and say, "Oh, thanks for cleaning my space." You can respond, "It was the least I could do." It was the least I could do. Number four is sure. Sure. This goes hand in hand with no problem. So you could say sure, no problem. It's a one-word answer to say you're welcome. Number five, the pleasure is mine, or my pleasure. This is my personal favorite, and I tend to say this a lot of times. It's a bit formal, but it's also great to use in your formal or working spaces. So for instance, a customer tells you, "Thank you for helping me activate my account," and you say, "The pleasure is mine." Number six, no worries. No worries. Number seven, don't mention it. Don't mention it. For instance, you helped your brother or sister make breakfast and they come saying, thanks for making breakfast today. You could say, don't mention it. It's another way of saying you're welcome. Number 8, anytime. Anytime. Number 9, you. Thank you. Did you know you could actually respond to a thank you by saying thank you? So with this one, the emphasis is on you. The next time you say thank you to someone and they get surprised you responded thank you, it just puts more emphasis to the person because you feel that that person actually helped another person, and so you would respond by saying thank you. Number 10, you're welcome or you're very welcome. This is mostly said by almost everyone that I know. There's also a bonus way of responding to a thank you properly. So these are the various ways of which we can respond to a thank you properly. I hope that you've learned some new phrases other than you are welcome. If I have not added any other phrase that you use, feel free to put them in the comment section below, or let me know some of the videos that you would want me to talk about in the future or in my other episodes. Thank you so much for watching today's episode, and like I said, today's episode is proudly brought to you by Web Global Consultancy, which is an organization with an integrated group of thinkers, makers, and problem solvers in areas of IT, marketing, supply chain services, and education. They generally seek to eliminate the components of your business processes by helping you and your firm focus on equally pressing demands involved with company management and those areas directly related to your core competencies. You can find them on the website at www.wordglobalgroup.com. Their email and mobile contacts will be displayed below the screen. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and do well to stay safe. I hope you learned something great today to help you with your daily interactions with your family, friends, and your clients. And this will go a long way to bring a great service or great experience on your products and services or your daily interaction. Do continue to stay safe, and thank you for watching today's episode. Don't forget to keep being awesome. Cheers.